Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about concatenating strings with plus equals operator. You must have learned in the previous videos that plus equals operator is nothing but this is called plus equals operator, and concatenating means adding both of the strings. So we can also use plus equal to operator to concatenate a string into the end of an existing string variable. This can be very useful to break a long string over several lines. Watch out for spaces. Concatenation does not add spaces between the concatenated strings, so you will need to add them yourself. We have already learned about that in the previous video. Now we have an example here. We have a let declaration. Our variable is our str. Here we have the string inside, and we have another string here I come second, and here we have the plus equal sign. So what will be the result output of this? Our str plus equal to is nothing but our str is equal to our str plus I come second. So like it will make our coding much faster and efficient. Okay, so build my str over several lines by concatenating these two strings. Okay, what are the strings? This is the first sentence and this is the second sentence. Using plus equals operator, use the plus equals operator to similar to how it is shown in the example, and be sure to include a space between the two strings. Like we have a space here. This is what they mentioned here. Start by assigning the first string to my str, then add on to the second string. Okay, so let us declare this like this. This is the first sentence. We need to add a space. That's over. Now we will have the another one, which is my str plus equals this is the second sentence. Okay, we have a full stop here and here too. Okay, I hope this is correct. So let us run the test. Yeah, it is correct.